Anant Kumar.
Madam, there is huge scarcity of vaccines in the country, and the vaccines are directly related to infant mortality. India, every year there are 26 million childbirths takes place, out of which 2.7 million die because of infant mortality. They die before the first birthday of them. That is the situation, madam. And unfortunately, in 2008, January 17th, the then Minister for Health, he has closed down procuring the life-saving vaccines from 3 of the public sector undertakings. And they used to supply 80% of the procurement, madam. And there is a PAL pending before the Honorable Supreme Court alleging a huge vaccine scam. And instead of these 3 public sector undertakings, actually now the vaccines are being procured by one Green Signal Biopharma, Watson Biopharma. Therefore, the straight question to the Honorable Minister, Health Minister, madam, if there is a scam, what is the probe that this UPI government is instituting to unravel the scam, number 1. Number 2, what are the corrective measures?
Please
They are
ask
going
one
to
question.
Only one question, madam.
Yes. What is 1 and 2?
The part B of the question is,
No, just ask one question. Please.
they have to restore, madam, they have to restore the supply of vaccines.
Yes.
Actually, the minister himself has agreed that in 14 states, the life-saving vaccines are in deficit. And they have given various statistics, madam, to the extent of 35 million vaccines, 36 million vaccines in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar, in Orissa, in Karnataka, and various other states. That has been their answer, sir. Madam, therefore, what is their action plan to restore the supply of vaccines
Thank you so
where
much.
infant mortality is so high?
Please.
Madam, if one looks at the answer, it says very clearly that there is no shortage of vaccine. So factually, I'm afraid in between, for a few months, the supply was not really out of stock, but the supply was less, and that's why I gave a very long reply, madam, so that I thought that all the supplementaries would be covered. That was the purpose. Because you know, vaccines, madam, are supplied by both the public sector and...
Yes, please let him give the reply. Please let him give the reply.
Huge deficiency of vaccine.
Please let him give the reply.
No, now also.
No,
Now,
please
now.
don't.
See, madam,
Answer, sir.
Please,
Pawar
please,
sahab,
please.
You
No,
come
let
to
me-
my
You
let
letter,
already
you
asked.
read
You
the-
already asked. Let
Let
him
me
give the
reply.
reply.
Madam, normally stock for couple of months are kept. And if the stock which goes below 1 month supply, then only we technically say that we are out of supply. The fact of life is, whether it is public sector undertaking, whether it is the unit of the ministry, or whether it is the private sector.
Private manufacturers
Please,
default
please.
on their supply by
Please.
staggering their delivery in some states.
Yeah,
Please,
that's
let
what
him
I'm
reply.
telling. That is what I'm
Let him
telling.
reply.
That is what I'm telling. If you have the patience, just hear me
Yes.
out. All these manufacturing units, whether they are in public or they are in private, they overstate their capacity. And we also have to appreciate there is a lead time required for 3 months from the time we place the order, madam. And 21 days are added.
Madam, my question was straight, madam.
No, please.
What about the scam?
Let him
What
reply.
about
Please let
procuring
him
from the
reply.
private companies? What happens to
No,
those,
this dialogue kind of a thing. Please let him reply. Yes, please go ahead. I think you have given a very detailed reply. Do you want to add something?
I have to answer in sequence. I have to answer in sequence. I have to answer in sequence.
No.
Let me answer in sequence. Let me answer.
No.
Let me answer in sequence.
Only minister's statement will
Let
go.
me answer in sequence.
No. No, please. No.
Let me answer.
Yes, please let him answer.
In the other house, please understand. Let me answer. Let me answer. Let me answer.
Let him answer.
Let me answer. No, let me answer. If you only sit down, I'll answer. I have your answer. If you let me, if you sit down, your time is going up. Let me answer. You sit down, no, I'll answer. If you sit down, I'll answer. If you only sit down, I'll answer. If you only sit down, I'll answer. If you only sit down, I'm answering, you're not wanting to have the answer. You allow me to answer, no?
Question number 364.
You allow me to answer, your time is going. Anand Kumar, your time is going. Your time is going up.
Honorable
Allow me to
Minister,
answer. Allow me to answer.